Thank you. Good morning. Good morning, Amsterdam. I'm trying to manage the message that I'm bringing today here with me. It's very clear. We are here. We are not here today against Chinese people. We are here today against the Chinese Communist Party under the leadership of Xi Jinping. We are here today to say that all of us together, we should be on one point clear, and that is we must try to stop the Chinese Communist Party, because what the Chinese Communist Party is doing in China, in Turkistan, in Tibet, in southern Mongolia, in Hong Kong, and now slowly in Taiwan, we all, the international community and 1.2 billion citizens of the world must be vigilant and aware what is going on in these other sides of the world. That today, China is one of the most polluters of climate on the planet. And I do not see, with all those banners, that there isn't one word China have a disastrous impact on the people of not only Tibet, but also on the downstream countries. So when you work today, stand here against disastrous blight policy of the government, please do think of people in Tibet, people in East Turkistan, people in southern Mongolia, who have no right to speak about to protect their environment. They have no right to protect their water. They have no right to protect their cultural heritage. So this is an appeal from us to you, my dear friends, who have gathered here to say no to the destructive policies of the governments across the world. Please take this message from us, because we are also here for a positive change in the world. We are not against Chinese people. We are against the leadership of China under Xi Jinping that is committing all these crimes of the people of Tibet, people of East Turkestan, people of southern Mongolia, and I must include the people in Hong Kong. So, and now we see what is going on in the world impact all of us. We really appreciate that today.